Now the third person, she's going to, or he's going to, or it's going to, is va a.
Va a.
Now, at this point, it's worth pointing out that the subject it is hardly ever used in Spanish. This sense of it is expressed or contained in the form of the verb itself. So to say it's going to, it's simply va a. You'll see there's no pronoun in Spanish, there's no it. It's here, está aquí. Again, no pronoun. The other subject pronouns, I, you, he, she, we, they, are only used at times for emphasis, as the actual verb form already indicates the person being referred to.
How would we say she's going to do it? Ella va a hacerlo.
Ella va a hacerlo.
He's going to call me later. Va a llamarme más tarde.
Va a llamarme más tarde.
She's going to put it in the house. Va a ponerlo en la casa.
Va a ponerlo en la casa.
He's going to need a hotel for tonight. Va a necesitar un hotel para esta noche.
Va a necesitar un hotel para esta noche.
How do you say I'm not going to do it like that? No voy a hacerlo así.
No voy a hacerlo así.
And how would you say, I see that you're not going to tell me? Veo que no vas a decirme.
Veo que no vas a decirme.
And how about the question, do you understand that she's not going to do it? ¿Comprendes que no va a hacerlo?
¿Comprendes que no va a hacerlo?